How to set phone call vibration to sync with ringtone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app. After click on phone app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on call alerts and ringtone. After click on call alert and ringtone, click on call vibration. After click on call vibration, you will see sync with ringtone is here. If you want to set mobile call vibration to sync with ringtone, click on sync with ringtone. After click on sync with ringtone, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set phone call vibration to sync with ringtone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.